All right, so here we have this garbage can. And yeah, you're like, this is just a regular old garbage can. Well, this one comes with this. And this thing is the coolest thing ever. It has 5 heavy-duty real metal bracket ball bearing wheels here, and these are solid nylon, kind of like a rollerblade wheel. This is heavy-duty, thick plastic too. I mean, this thing can really take a beating. And so you can use that with this trash can because it's got a recess right here in the bottom. And this makes it so great for moving around a shop, up and down a driveway. So much easier than picking it up and carrying it. Also, you got a heavy duty, this is like a heavy duty trash can, not like a light trash can that's very thin. So very nice system here. Makes it a lot easier to take your trash out in the morning or just wheel it around a workshop.